Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, welcome. My name is Katy, aka Tattooedmomma. I got some crazy hair going on today. I'm actually just like doing chores, meal prepping, cleaning the house, and then my boyfriend and I have some Dungeons and Dragons. Yes, I'm a major nerd. We play that every other Saturday with some family and friends. But as you saw by the title, I have a new subscription box to open up for you guys. This is the Miss MuscleBox, and I'm so excited. I am into working out and fitness. I really do try my best to be active and all that. So Matt and I did cancel our gym membership we put it on hold for about 2 months just because Hunter's in that clinging stage, and plus I'm working a lot more often, so I'm just going to be doing home workouts. So I thought this box would be fun to get to see if there's anything inside of it that I could possibly use for in-home workouts. I do want to be honest and say that I did get this box, I think it was 2 months ago, and I got this shirt in it, which is super cute. It says Fit Life. It fits really well, definitely my size, so they're true to size, whatever you put on the size chart. And I just didn't upload that video because I wasn't really happy with how it turned out. I wasn't happy with how the lighting turned out and all that kind of stuff. So anyway, if you guys are interested in seeing what this box has in it and a coupon code you could use for your first box to get 15% off, then just keep watching. Alrighty, so I'm trying not to hit the table because I know that I've realized in some of my videos when I go like that, obviously it's shaky. I need to get more of a sturdy table, but at the moment I'm just working with what I have. So I'm going to try not to set this on there, then open it so it's shaky. But if you guys want 15% off your first box, then you can use the code MOM15. I'm pretty sure that's what it is. I will put it right up here on the screen somewhere so you can get 15% off. This box is $22 a month and you get $60 worth of stuff. So if you are looking to get fit, you want a little inspiration, this box is awesome, and to me it's such a good price. But let's see what's in it this month. I sliced my hand open, so I got tape on it. So me doing that was a really bad idea because I just felt it open up a little bit more. Ouch. This is what the inside looks like so far. Okay, so it does come with a 30-day abs challenge. Ooh. This is cool. So it opens up. This is awesome. It comes with a really big little challenge workout thing, which I will totally do. Totally gonna do that. And then it shows, pretty sure what's in the box, which I don't want to really look at right now. Oh my, I am so excited. Okay, I'm already, oh my God. Okay, I'm so excited. This one's better than last month. Last month I got these little chips that I wasn't a fan of, but okay, these look delicious. These are produce. Okay, so of course I didn't mention, I got this box. It is a mystery Easter box. So I did get 50% off this box, and it comes with I think like a little bit more of a surprise fun stuff in it. So you probably saw that by the title and saw that I didn't mention that, but I'm mentioning it now. These are the Produce Protein Popcorn. Oh my gosh, in sweet cinnamon. We're trying one of these right now because I have not eaten lunch yet. And if you guys did not, oh my God, that sounds amazing. If you guys did not know this about me, I am obsessed with cinnamon rolls. So let's see how this tastes. It's protein popcorn. Definitely tastes like protein popcorn. Got it stuck in my tooth. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about that. I don't know. Alright. This is a maple glazed donut. That looks really good. I love donuts, so I'm really curious about this one. Very curious. Next up are these protein buff cake crunchy cookies with peanut spread. And these are double chocolate. Those look delicious. These are something that I would definitely bring on. Oh, I got popcorn in my tooth. Put in my purse for like after I'm done working out. Well, not working. Well, working out or cleaning a house, which is pretty much a workout. Okay, this looks good. This is the Grande Carb Killa High Protein Brownie, and this is a fudge brownie. That looks really good. Okay, I saw this and I am so excited about this. This is Grande Carb Killa Protein Spread. White chocolate cookie flavored protein spread. Okay, we're going to pop this open. It's got 20% protein. We're going to pop this open and see how this tastes because I'm very curious. That's what the inside looks like. I'm going to use my finger. I just washed my hands. Okay, that's not bad. I'm really wondering what I could use this on. I feel like this would be really good with like bananas or something. Again, that's what it looks like. I'm so excited I got something like this. This is awesome. Man, this box is definitely better than last month. And then last but not least, I got a shirt, which I'm excited about. This says, oh my gosh, this is cute. It says choose fit. So this looks like it would actually fit really well. Wow, this is going to be awesome. I always say a size large because I do have a bigger chest and stuff, and I like it to be a little loose and definitely comfier, but I could even just picture myself working out in this shirt, and I really love the material. Usually I'm not big on getting short sleeve shirts because I just like live for tank tops, but this is adorable. I love it. So that was such an awesome deal, in my opinion, for this box. What do you guys think? Do you think that I should continue to get this box and kind of see what they have? Like I said, I just think it's awesome. If they have something like this in the box and a cute shirt, then I am happy with getting it. You know what I'm saying? So on here it says, we could have got this Sinister Labs. I don't think this one is Sinister Labs. No, this is Grenade Carb Killa dark chocolate almond spread. Okay, I'm really glad I didn't get that one because I am not a fan of almond stuff, but it's showing that you could have possibly got that one. And then I love how the back of this says, visualize the person you want to be, then work for it. Okay, so yeah, I don't really, this has some like meal plans and stuff on the back of it as well. So that's awesome. So yeah, I don't know. What do you guys think? What do you think about this box? Should I, like I said, continue to get it? Do you think it's definitely worth, to me, that is definitely worth a $22 box, but I got this 50% off. So like definitely awesome. If you sign up for their emails, you constantly get coupon codes and stuff like that to use. What I do is I just like cancel, then I re-sign up. Why not? You can do that for so many different subscription boxes. But anyway, this box was awesome. Definitely think it was worth the money. Like I said, let me know if you guys want to see me do more boxes like this. Be sure you hit that thumbs up button because it really helps me out. Also hit that bell notification button so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. I really, really appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in my next one.